Hi there, crafty peeps. Enis here from Paper Crafting with Enis, and I'm on today to draw a winner for the beaded bracelet that I made in a recent Happy Crafter Shop project share video. I did want to mention that I am sorry I didn't post this video yesterday because I believe I gave 1 week for people to make comments, and I was going to draw the winner on the 28th, but I haven't been feeling well for a couple of days, and I'm finally back up to par today. So here I am to draw a winner. And before I get into that, I did want to mention that you had to be 18 years or older, have a U.S. mailing address, be a subscriber to my channel, or a frequent commenter. This is not sponsored by BB Craft. This is not sponsored by YouTube, the Happy Crafter Shop, or anyone else. It is my sole responsibility. And I also wanted to mention that, like I said, you had to use the words bunny hop. There were a few comments that people did not use those words. So when we draw the winner, if it lands on someone who didn't use the secret words, then I will just draw again, and we will do that until we get the winner. So with that, let's get started. I do have my YouTube link already posted there, and we are going to filter duplicate users, have one winner. We have a spin duration of 5 seconds. Solve the problem. And now we're going to get our comments. We have 21 unique comments. And with that, I'm going to wish everybody good luck, and I'm going to click start. We'll find out who the winner is. Okay, let's see. All right, the prickly chestnut. She says, your bunny hop bracelet is adorable. Thank you for the tutorial. So yay, she is actually a new subscriber to my channel, and she did use the words bunny hop. I'm really happy that I can give this away to a new subby. That's really exciting for me. So if you would leave a note in the comments down below this video letting me know that you did see that you're a winner in my contest, and also send me an email and give me your full name and your address. I will have my email address in the description box down below. And once I hear from you, I will get your project out in the mail to you. So thanks again, everybody, for stopping by. Thank you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. I really appreciate all of you. You make being a part of this crafty community so fun and so exciting. I appreciate every single one of you. So thanks again for watching, and I will catch you all in the next crafty video. See you later, crafty peeps. Bye.